Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. I am Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your maths teacher, and this is my fifth video on integer. Now, in our last video, we learned about how to add, how to subtract, and how to multiply and divide any two integers. You know very well that how to add them, how to subtract them. But if you get multiple integers, that you have learned to add two integers at a time. But what if you get more than two integers? Let's see. Let us first revise. Addition. Now what are the rules? Whenever you add two integers, you first look upon the signs. If the two integers have common sign, that is either positive, either both they are negative, then what will you do? You will add the absolute values and give the common sign. Similarly, for addition, when the two integers like -9 and +12 have different signs, you will subtract the absolute value of smaller number from larger number and give the sign of the larger number. You know the rules. Now let us learn how to add multiple integers, that is more than 2. Let us see. I have an example. -9 plus 12 plus -24. Here I have three integers and I have to add them. What we have to do? Yes, we have to add two at a time. That means I will take two integers at a time. Now look here. The first one is -9 and the second is +12. That is, they both have different signs. So what will you do? You will subtract the absolute value of smaller number, that is 9 from 12. What is 12 minus 9? It is, what it is? 3. And what is the sign of the larger number? It is plus. So plus. And I have solved the two integers. Now the third one. Now I can add these two integers as I done before. I'll check the sign. They both have different signs. So I will subtract the absolute value of smaller number from the larger number. The absolute value of 3 is +3 and the absolute value of -24 is 24. So 24 minus 3, it is 21. And what is the sign of the larger number? It is minus. So I get my answer, -21. Now let us take one more example. I have 7 plus 25 plus -95. What we will do? We will take two integers at a time. Now both of the integers have common sign, that is they both have positive sign. So we will add the absolute values. 7 plus 25. What is 7 plus 25? It is 32 and the common sign is plus. So I can write plus or I can write simply 32. Now the next number. Now these both integers have different sign. It has plus and this is negative. So I will subtract the absolute value of smaller number from the larger number. That is 95 minus 32. What it is? What is? Let us do a rough work. 95 minus 32. That is 3 and 9 minus 3, 6. So it is 63. And what is the sign of the larger number? It is minus. So I get my answer. Now how to subtract? We know the rules. When we have to subtract two integers, we have to convert the subtraction into addition. You know it? And how will you do it? Let's see. I have multiple integers to be subtracted. Let us take two integers at a time. Plus 44 minus 35. First we'll convert the subtraction into integer. What will I do? I'll write the first number as it is, plus sign, and I'll take the additive inverse of 35. What is the additive inverse of 35? Minus 35. The next number will be written as it is. Now, I have converted the subtraction into addition. Now I'll solve. Both the number have different sign. That is, first number is positive and the second is negative. So I'll subtract 35 from 45, that is 10. And the larger number has positive sign, so it will be plus. Minus 20. Again I'll convert it into addition, and the additive inverse of minus 20 is minus 20. Subtraction. 20 minus 10, 10. And the sign of the larger number is minus. So I got my answer. I have one more example. Minus 12 minus 3 minus 20. What will we do? We will take two numbers at a time. I have to convert it into addition. Write the first number as it is, plus sign. The additive inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. I'll keep the number as it is. First we will solve two numbers at a time. Now, minus 12 plus 3, and they are being added. So, they have different sign. We will subtract the absolute value of smaller number from the larger number, that is 12 minus 3. And I get 9, and the larger number has minus sign. Now, again we have two numbers, minus 9, minus 20. I convert it into addition. What is the additive inverse of 20? It is minus 20. So now, minus 9, minus 20. Both the integers have common sign, that is, they both are negative. So I will add the absolute value. 9 plus 20, it is 29. And the common sign, minus 29 is my answer. So now you learn how to add and subtract integer. In my next video, we will learn how to multiply and divide multiple integers. Thank you.